I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lebanese cucumber pickles. First, gather your fresh, crisp cucumbers, ideally small ones, about 3 to 4 inches long. We'll combine them with a simple brine solution, ensuring they stay crunchy and delicious. This traditional method is surprisingly easy, even for beginners, and yields fantastic results every time. Get ready to enjoy a taste of the Middle East. To begin, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, small pickling cucumbers. For the brine, combine 4 cups of water with 1/4 cup of pickling salt and 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Don't forget your aromatics: 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of dill seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. These ingredients are key to developing that authentic Lebanese pickle flavor. Start by washing your cucumbers very well, then trim off both ends. Next, tightly pack the cucumbers into clean, sterilized quart jars. Add the garlic, dill seeds, and peppercorns evenly among the jars. Finally, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Let your pickles ferment at room temperature for 3 to 5 days, or until they reach your desired sourness. You'll notice small bubbles forming, which is a good sign of fermentation. Once ready, transfer them to the refrigerator, where they will keep well for up to 2 months. These homemade pickles are perfect for snacking or adding to sandwiches. And for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Lebanese pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.